All right, guys, everything looks good. Let me get the spreadsheet here. Make sure everyone can double check their teams. There's the team list. Let me know if you see any issues there. And as far as I'm concerned, we're ready to go. All right, breakers, let's get breaking. I'll work my way down like usual. Go some tops, series 1. We have 1 hanger box in this break. Thanks for joining me, guys. Good luck to everyone. Here we go. Series 1 hanger box. Mitch Haniger. Nats team card. White Sox team card. Jays team card. Cody Hoyer, Alex Gordon, retired. Wade Davis, Travis d'Arnaud, Ryan Yarbrough, Yu Darvish, D-backs team card. Odor, Wilmer Flores, Blake Snell, Corey Seager, Simeon, old team, Tavares, Mike Minor. Looks like we got a 2021 card at the bottom of this one. Walker Buehler, Mookie, DeYoung, Madrigal rookie for the Sox, Caprillion, Alec Baum, Gavin Lux, Iglesias, David Bodie, Cubbies, Lester, Cubbies, Starling Marte, the bout card for the Braves, and the 2021 card. Who's that? Aguilar for the Marlins. 612 out of 2021. Second half of the hanger box. Jordan, Buster Posey, teammate Joey Bart, rookie. Nate Pearson, rookie. Hank Aaron, that's cool, 86 tops. To the Braves, Garrett Cole, Yanks. Bauer, old team. Amir Garrett, DJ LeMahieu, Roberto Perez, Bubic, Royals. Burrows. There's our first Bichette of the evening for the Jays. Junis, Royals. The Candyman, Tigers. Castellani, the Rockies. That's a rookie. Moving right along with Howie. Buxton, playing well so far. Buster Posey, also playing well. Frazier. Charlie Morton. Matt Chapman. Soria. Dobnak with the Twins. Lewis Brinson with the Marlins. Merrifield. Mitch Keller. Profar. Will Smith. Mercado with the team from Cleveland. Nimmo. Pearson rookie again. Vlad, same team. Aguilar. Odorizzi. And Bryce. Little housekeeping. Let's see. I'll throw this guy up. It's our hit so far. It's going to get a lot better than this, but put Aguilar up there. 2021. We'll stick with Series 1. Blaster number 1. Coupons. Patch card. 7 packs per box. I haven't opened any Heritage until this break. I don't know about you guys. It's not a super high-end product by any means, but there are some nice parallels, inserts, refractor cards. I know I pulled a few last year. But man, I can't say enough how great this Topps Chrome update product has been for the money. We've pulled quite a few autographs from that product. As you can see, I've got some Donruss. I think my next break, I'll start breaking on Sundays and Mondays, like I did this week. And I think the next Sunday will be all Donruss, and then I'll do a mixer on Monday. Probably just like this one. We'll see. Okay, here's our blaster. Try and pull about half. We have Cody, Glaber, Osuna, Blake Taylor, Astros, Giants team card, Josh Bell. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's one of those. Okay. We got Ian Happ, Votto, Jordan, Nico Horner, Daza with the Rockies, Kyle Lewis, the M's, Vote, Trey Turner. This is one of those through the years cards. Big Mac for the A's. There's Votto again. Our first Lou Bob for the White Sox. Lindor. Let's see, there's some green and followed by a foil back there. I'll throw those in back. What's that one? Okay. Hernandez, Jays, Albert, Otani, Bieber, Fultonevich. We have Matt Olson, Manaea, Chapman with the Yanks. Oh, wrong pile. There we go. Lorenzo Cain, Freddie, Marco Gonzalez, Wilson Ramos, Clayton Kershaw, Gurriel Jr., another Junis, another Candyman, another Castellani rookie for the Rockies, Nick Heath rookie, Royals, Tristan McKenzie, another rookie card. Some pretty decent rookies in this. We have Adames, Shoemaker, Tatis Jr., and a Jeter 86 Topps for the Yanks. That's pretty sweet. Casey Mize. Let's see, upside down. Okay. We have DeYoung again, Caleb Smith, Luke Weaver, Kiermaier, and our green is Rougned Odor, followed by the rainbow foil Devers for the Red Sox. The Odor is 284 out of 499. Some nice reflection going on so far. Okay, that was the first half of the blaster, the first blaster. And away we go. I'm back there. We have Hunter Harvey, Danny Mendick, Clevenger, Soria, Dobnak again, Brinson again, Whit Mayfield, Cody, Paul Goldschmidt, nice card. Dylan Carlson, rookie. Brewers team card. Yamaguchi with the Jays, Flaherty, Archer, Robbie Ray, Sox team card. Nico Goodrum, Osuna, Santander, Brandon Nimmo, Frazier, Morton, Chapman, Baum, Phillies, Brady Singer, Verdugo, Sandoval with the Angels, Miguel Rojas, We have Correa, Daniel Murphy, retired, Brad Hand, Nomar Mazara, Austin Hayes. There's a Jurickson Profar again for the Padres, Will Smith again for the Dodgers, Mercado, Tony Gwynn, 86 tops, throwback. Strasburg, Doolittle, Rays team card, Brewers team card. Soto coming in, making an appearance. And then we have David Peterson, rookie for the Mets. Tejeda, Rangers, Ruiz. Mountcastle for the O's, rookie. Alfaro, Kinsler, Garrett Cole, and Mitch Keller. One moment. Series 1, Blaster, number 2. Hey, Rochelle, glad you like the Devers. I'm pretty sure you have the Sox. Thank you for joining me. Here we go. Patch cards, commemorative plate cards, whatever you call them. These are all going to go out tomorrow, you guys, so you should have them pretty quick. Get them sorted and bagged up tonight. Any preferences on what we break next, Heritage or Chrome Update? Let me know. Okay. We got Renfroe, Griffin Canning, Marlins team card, Arrieta, another bout card, followed by Workman for the Phils, Dahlbeck, rookie, Red Sox, Duffy, Joe Adell, rookie with the A's, Angels, Jesse Winker, Luis Garcia, rookie for the Nats, Carter Kieboom, home run card for Vlad Jr., nice. Arenado with his old team. Pollock, Dunning, Mitch White, rookie, Grisham. Stevenson, Reds, rookie card, Alvarez. Casey Mize, Sixto, rookie for the Marlins. Let's leave that one up. Longoria, Mikolas, JD Mart, Ahmed Rosario, and here's our first Mike Trout of the evening. Very cool. Angels gotta like that, right? I haven't seen that one yet. That's a 56 tops. Very cool. Let's leave that up. Throw the Trout over here. Javi Baez. There's a refractor back there. Eduardo Rodriguez, Dansby Swanson, Justice Sheffield, Biggio, Castillo, Rizzo, Severino, Fried, Hector Neris, Bader with the Cards, D. Gordon. There's Glaber for the Yanks, Acuna, O's team card, Rangers team card, Joey Wendell, Mets team card, and our first refractor. Hey, look, it's another Rafi Devers. There you go. Not a bad start for the Red Sox there. I'll stack the Rafis together there. Let's take a quick look at the sheet. Yeah, I figured Rochelle B or possibly Rochelle B's significant other. Not sure, but congrats. Second half of the second blaster box. We have Plutko, Gio Gonzalez, Wilson Contreras, Moreland. There's another Trout. Gio Urshela for the Yanks. Mejia, Kyle Seager, Stassi, Buster Posey, Dodgers team card, Machado, Soto, Tigers team card. Oh, just one. Bieber, league leaders. Matthew Boyd, Luke Voigt, league leaders. Reddick, Bellinger, J.D. Davis. Got a die cut card here. Looks like it's Wade Boggs. Roman Quinn, Tommy Edman. And there's your Red Sox coming through again, huh? The Wade Boggs die cut. Oh. There we go. I'll just stack those Red Sox up for you there, Rochelle. Joey Bart rookie again. Josh Harrison, Urena with the Marlins. Ian Anderson rookie for the Braves. David Dahl, Gratterall. Jimenez rookie for the Mets. There's another Madrigal for the White Sox. Caprillion for the A's. Another Alec Baum. And we have Joey Gallo, Hendricks, the A's. His old team, Colin Moran, Kenta Maeda, Nate Pearson, Ollie Perez, LeBlanc, Padres team card, Trevor Williams, Gavin Lux, Iglesias, David Bodie, Lester Marte, there's a pattern there, Navarez, Arcia, Evan White rookie for the M's, another 86 tops, Hank Aaron, and Josh Bell. Okay, any requests? Oh, I'll do the commemorative patch packs. And then if you guys have a preference, Topps Chrome Update or Heritage. Otherwise, I'll just keep going. We got these guys first, though. First commemorative plate card. Philadelphia Phillies, Steve Carlton. Congratulations. And commemorative plate card number 2. Patch card. Is it a plate or a patch? We have the Dodgers. Any guesses? Wow, that is stuck there. Let's go this way. That is sealed. There we go. Kershaw. Dodgers get the second. Oh, it is. They're calling it a patch. 70th anniversary patch card. Nice work, Dodgers. I'm not seeing any requests. Let's work our way in. First Heritage opening of the year. Always love the new products. Looks like we have 8 packs per box. So we'll do 4 and 4. Hope for some refractor love in these. You guys still with me? It looks like we had a little interruption there with the feed. My apologies. I don't know what happened there. I just finished opening the first 4 packs of that first blaster, and they're right here. We haven't looked at them yet. It looks like we're okay now. Okay, I'm going to keep breaking unless I hear anything. Eric asked, the break sold out. I did have, I believe, 7 unsold teams. Well, 6 unsold and 1 unpaid. But JoJo picked them all up at the beginning of the break. So, okay, cool. Thank you, JoJo. Sorry for the interruption. I don't know what that was, but it was lagging on my end. Here we go. Heritage. Let's take a look here. See what we got. Bregman, Chatwood, Berea. We have rookie stars for the Rockies. Okay. Kenta Maeda. Postseason Padres card. Kim for the Cardinals, my bad. He's coming off the DL soon, I think. Kyle Lewis. M's grabbing a card. Oh, this looks like one of those puzzle backs. They do some different stuff. We have strikeout leaders, Giolito, Bieber, and Cole. So we'll have to see where that goes. I'll set that one in a separate pile. 3 separate teams, obviously. There's a Rangers rookie card. Hader, Dubon, Mark Canha, Conforto, Duffy, Scherzer, Cronenworth, rookie, Padres, Tigers, rookie stars, Funkhauser, huh? Okay. Mets rookie card, Peterson and Jimenez. There's Vlad Jr., Justin Dunn, Garcia with the Giants, DeGrom, Trey Turner. We have Then and Now going to, oh, that is all White Sox, Dick Allen and Jose Abreu. That's cool. He led the league in home runs a year or two. I know that much. There's a Bellinger Dodgers card, postseason, Mondesi with the Royals. Rookie stars for the Sox, not featuring Lou Bob. Kyle Seager, Smoke. He's still playing? I don't think he's still playing. He might be. Brandon Lau, Rays. Schwarber, here's a refractor. Max Kepler with the Twins. Little shimmer for you. That is numbered out of 999. Looks like 690 out of 999. Twins getting a hit. I think that's JoJo. That was one of those unsold teams. Yoshi, Alec Baum rookie, and Grichuk. So let's throw Max up there. Put him with Rugned right there. Okay, 4 more packs on the first blaster. Something a little different right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we'll throw that in back. And away we go. Keston Hiura. Cobb with the O's. Whoa, look at all those guys on that card. Oh, NL home run leaders. So there's another multi-team card. So we'll figure that out. I'll split that with the other one. Bryce Harper, Lugo, Turnbull, AJ Puck, Luzardo. Okay, that's cool. Boyhood photos. Nice cool card there for the A's. I hope Luzardo works out. He looks pretty good. Dozier, Javi Baez, Estrada for the Yanks, Arias, Hendricks with the A's, Bieber, Karinchak. We have the Dodgers rookies, Mitch White and Keibert Ruiz, the catcher. Casey Mize, rookie card. There's a Zach Britton for the Yanks. There's our first Lou Bob out of Heritage. In action card, similar to that Kyle Lewis. We have Cardinals rookies. Brandon Belt. There's the... What do we have here? Oh, National League rookie star. So that's another multi-team. Stevenson and Contreras. That goes in the multi-team pile. Goldschmidt. Noah. Or Thor, as they call him. Dallas Keuchel. Rojas. There's a Merrifield boyhood photo card. What do we have here? Jackie Robinson Award presented to... What does that say? Does that say Acuna? That is very hard to tell. So it's all the Rookie of the Year award winners. And it's the Jackie Robinson Award. What do we do with that card? Maybe the Dodgers? I don't know. I'll put it in the pile of multi-team for now. There's a Bichette for the Jays. Segura. Robbie Ray. Kyle Tucker with the Stros. Arenado. Profar. And there we go. There's some game-used memorabilia from Colton Wong. Nice hit for the Cards. Little jersey. And let's see. I'll give this a chance here on. Yeah, I didn't bring any thick sleeves. That's not going to go, but trust me, I will take great care of that and get it packaged for you. I'll put it with the patch cards so it's nice and in a good stack. Nice hit at the end of the first box there. Clean up a little bit here. And we have Heritage Blaster number 2. Guys, honestly, I don't believe I've had any cards until this Heritage product that had multiple teams represented. And I know I covered it in my eBay listings, but I don't know what my method of resolution was. So I can look it up when we're done here, or if one of you guys wants to help me out, that would be cool too. But we'll get it figured out. That is game used. The Wong jersey. Yes, Eric. There's another puzzle card on the back there. Another puzzle card. Okay, let's do 4 and 4 again. Back at it with the Heritage. We have more Lugo, Arias, Hendricks, Soto with the Tigers, Haseley, another, okay, this is the World Series MVP award, Willie Mays, with every winner of the award listed on the back. Similar problem with the Jackie. There's Gonzalez with the M's, Charlie Morton, Austin Riley, boyhood photos, Brandon Belt, another National League Rookie Stars, that's the same card. Jackie Bradley Jr., Lester Kenley, AL/NL Rookie Stars, Yankees, Braves, and Astros. We have Walker, Dodgers team card, World Series team card. That's pretty cool. Casey Mize, Goldie, Carson Kelly. More multi-team action, AL/NL Rookie Stars. That's the Cubbies and the White Sox. Junis, there's Acuna finally. I don't think we've seen him yet. Matt Olson, photos, boyhood photos. What do we have here? Atari, huh? Okay. So this is a non-team related card. I didn't know they had cards like this in Heritage. Okay. Throw that in the same pile because I don't know what to do with it. Solano with the Giants. Rizzo. More Lubob for the White Sox. Austin Riley. Bradley. Martin Perez for the Red Sox. Cron now playing with the Rockies. Mitch Keller. There's Bubik. Boyhood photos. Kyle Lewis for the M's. And Garrett Cole. Oh, that's a rough cut there. Very rough on that edge there. Nice job, Topps. Four more packs of Heritage, then we'll get the Chrome. We'll get to that autograph. I hope. Here we go. This will be it for Heritage for the night. I do have a lot more Heritage, so we'll be doing more. So we'll get this multiple team thing sorted out here. Soroka, Evaldi, Alonso, Ahmed, Nola, Soler, Garver, Santander, Evan White with the M's, Toro, Nolan, Senzatella with the Rockies, Engel, Arcia, Keston Hira, Matt Chapman, Muncy, Bo Bichette, Andujar with the Yanks, Jake Cave, Justin Turner, Dustin May, no longer a rookie, Tyler O'Neill, Ian Happ, Brandon Lau, New Age Performers, McCann, Pache in action, rookie card for the Braves, Lane Thomas, Tatis Jr., Wheeler, Talkman, Castellanos made the news the other day. More multi-team action AL RBI leaders. We all know those guys. Christian Vasquez, Pete Alonso, boyhood photos, and rounding it out with more multi-team action NL pitching leaders. Okay, so out of all the heritage, we have these, including the Atari card. I don't know if we raffle that one or what, but about 10 cards there, so that we'll have to figure out. Let me take a look at one of my listings here real quick and see. Like I said, I haven't had to deal with this yet, so bear with me a moment. That's right. That's what I thought I did. That's going to take forever. So my listing says we'll do 5 clicks on random.org. So we can do that. There's about, like I said, 10 or 12 cards there right here. If you guys have any better ideas that everybody can agree on, I'm all for it. But otherwise, we'll just have to do what I said in the listing. That could take a minute, but we can do it. Let's move these in. It's hard to move with cards on there. Okay, so these cards are set aside. Let me know if you guys have any ideas. And let's get to the Chrome. That's not a bad idea, Eric. I can't argue against that. It's not like there's anything too crazy in that stack, but hey, whatever works. We have 7 packs. Topps Chrome Update 2020. And honestly, I have to admit, I should have thought that through because I'm not even sure how to share my screen to do the random.org. Here we go. Update Megabox number 1. There's our buddy Edwin. Brendan Rodgers, 2020. Kershaw, Rizzo. Morrison, Tinoco for the Rocks. Mabin, Rich Hill. Barack Holt, Cal Ripken Jr. Bryant. Acuna Jr. Kyle Lewis. Trout. That's nice. Three players in a row. Yachty, Albert. Joey Votto. There's a Nico Horner 2020. Johnny Davis with the Rays. Ichiro. Aaron Judge. Aquino. Aguilar. Eric Mills. Nick Turley, Pirates. Ted Williams. Numbers game to the Red Sox. We have Dyson and another Nico Horner. All right, here we go. Last box. Let's get this going. Oh. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That Atari card is like something out of Allen and Ginter products. All the non-sports stuff they throw in there. Still thinking about it. All right, last Mega Topps Chrome update. Let's feel it out. There's Poppy, Eric Davis, Arozarena for the Rays, Neil Walker, Aaron Judge. There's more Lou Bob, 2020. We have, that's interesting, look at that. These two cards were back to back. One was upside down. Exact same card. Huh. Double score for the Angels there with the Rendons. Castro, Stashak, Tommy Pham, Mike King rookie for the Yanks. Josh Taylor, Red Sox. Sandy Koufax, numbers game for the Dodgers. Hernandez, Gavin Lux, Villar, David Price, Bregman, Pete Alonso. There's your Lou Bob again for the White Sox. Luzardo, Cespedes, McGuire, McCutcheon. I haven't seen that card very much. All-Star game. I'm sure we got it, but anyway, Javi Baez, Eric Timms, and the last card of the night. Who's that guy? Tyler Heineman, rookie card for the Giants. So, I'm thinking, unless I see any objections here from all 8 of you watching, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think I'm just going to randomly throw these in and get them out to all you guys, if that works for you. We can do, I'm open to ideas, but again, I don't know how to share my screen to do the random.org thing, and for that many cards, it'll take a solid 30 minutes, possibly. I don't know, I'm going to give you guys a couple minutes to either object to that idea or offer something better that won't take a whole lot of time. We got Darvish, Davies, Fried for NL pitching leaders, AL RBI leaders. The infamous Atari card, Pong. We have Rookie Stars ALNL. 2 guys I've never heard of. Rookie Stars ALNL again with Ian Anderson, Christian Javier, and Davy Garcia. Contreras and Stevenson, the Willie Mays Award, the Jackie Robinson Award, and we got 2 of these. Oh, I thought we had 2 of those. Did we? Yeah, this is our second one of this one. And then we have the home run leaders for the NL and the strikeout leaders for the AL. So nothing too crazy. If you guys are good with that, I'm happy to just randomly allocate them. If there's a team that barely has any cards or no hits at all, maybe I'll give them one or 2 of these. that kind of thing. You get the idea. So I hope that's cool with you guys. Any problems, send me a message, but I think everybody's cool with that. So, hey, thanks for watching. No autos tonight. So, next time we're due. I'll see you guys next Sunday for Donruss. Then we'll do more of this stuff the next night, Monday. Have a great night, everybody, and thank you.